Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how you can post a photo on Instagram without cropping it. So first you need to click on this plus button. You need to select your post. Like I want to post this image, but it is showing like this. You can see I am here, but it is not coming properly. So I will click this button, this one. So now it is properly visible. So you can see me and the target as well. Let me select another image. Herein you can see this is not showing. It is a normal thing. When I click this button, it will show properly. Okay, so it is now showing properly. I can simply post it by clicking on next. And second method is by downloading an app. I will show you how to download this app. You need to go to Play Store, type in Squarefit. This is the app which you need to download. I will share you the link of this app in the description of this video as well. I have already installed it, so I just need to open it. After opening it, you need to select the image. For example, I am selecting this image. You can see you can move this up and down like this. Upper part and bottom part will show, and you just need to click on save. That's it, done. So now you will be able to download this image as well on Instagram. You can see this. So this is the image. You can see, you just need to select it and it is coming up properly. So you can click on next and you can just post it. So I hope now friends you will be able to post images on Instagram without copying them. So in case you still face any problem, you can comment below and I will give you quick response. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.